Hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More. Welcome to my channel. I just wanted to show you a few cute little things that I made with my molds, my resin molds. Some of them are actually ice cube molds I got from the Dollar Tree, such as these right here. I haven't made a pumpkin, but I've got a pumpkin mold from the Dollar Tree too. But these, I believe, are just flamingos. So I made them. This is with resin. See? They're adorable pink flamingos. And because I had some of that resin left, I also made pretty pink seahorse. And some pink shells with a little blue in there. All different kinds of shells. I got like the little and the big one for these. The little and the big ones for these. And then some of these I made with resin. This was resin. Little turtle there. This one was a glue turtle that I had a problem with. I used glue, hot glue. There's a matching starfish that I used, and I used the same color for that turtle. I got the dropsies. And more shells, different colors. Some I've painted, some I've put glitter in when I was making them. There's a couple little mama and baby seahorse. And I've got some clear ones that I will paint or dip. Little baby and mama. I even have a little clear turtle without the back legs. So if I put him on something, he's gonna have to be like hiding, like something's there like that. I don't know. And then these kind of shells, aren't those cute? And some more starfish here, and more little babies. And then here I made my own little jellyfish freeform, and I believe most of this was glue. And this was all a freeform heart that I made out of glue. This was older glue. It was yellowed. It was so old. But I figured it didn't matter because I'd be painting it probably red or purple or something anyway. So that was freeform. And this was some cogs that I got. Another form. It was, I think, a Decoupage brand cogs form. And you can use regular hot glue in there. So I did those in the older glue too. Little clock mechanisms. You can paint them. Cogs. And a lock and a couple keys. I got that key. I think I showed you that one. So I've been doing some of these. And then I did this freeform tree. Is it right here? Because I'm going to be working on this card, which I started. So I made this freeform glue tree out of hot glue. And I actually am probably going to put it on the front of the card. And I want it to hang over the sides. However, I am going to paint it first. And I do want it to hang over the sides so that when they open it, I just haven't decided exactly how I'm going to do it, but I have to do it soon because we're already the 12th of October. So this is my little freeform tree, which I thought was a really good idea. So I wanted to share these little thoughts and ideas I had. Right here, that's the beginning of the card. I got all kinds of things to put, all different kinds of things to put on the card. I got these, I got this pretty fall leaf washi type style. Look at that glittery orange. That might be really pretty on the outside there. Little turkey. You know, I was thinking of, I got all kinds of stickers. Look at those gorgeous leaves. Pretty leaves. I actually cut this out. It's like a pop-up, but I'm not sure. I've only made one of the cards. I thought that would be cute somehow in there. And I got some extra leaves and such. Got all my tape ready in case I need extra tape. this that I've had for a very long time and just opened it recently. So, there's my beginnings of my fall Halloween card. And I wanted to show you, and I'll bring that to you when I get it. As because I'm not used to making cards. I've only done one other one. It was my grandson's birthday. And I brought that one to you. And I think in the form of pictures. And I'll probably do it the same way. I'll do this the same way in the form of pictures when I work on this. So we'll see you soon. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Bye-bye now.